Mastering On-Page SEO, a beginner's guide. Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic to dive into, On-Page SEO for beginners. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just someone curious about the world of SEO, you're in the right place. We'll break it down step by step so you can start boosting your website's visibility right away. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future videos packed with tips and tricks to help you succeed online. Understanding On-Page SEO. So, what exactly is On-Page SEO? Well, it's all about optimizing the elements on your web pages to rank higher in search engine results. Think of it as making your website more attractive to both search engines and human visitors. Keyword research. Our first stop in the on-page SEO journey is keyword research. These are the words and phrases people use to find content online. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you discover relevant keywords for your content. Choose wisely. High-quality content. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to create high-quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and well-structured. Remember, the aim is not just to please search engines but to provide value to your audience. Title tags and meta descriptions. Title tags and meta descriptions are like your website's first impression. Craft compelling titles and descriptions that not only include your target keywords but also entice users to click through to your site. Header tags. Header tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., help structure your content. Use them to break up your text, making it easier for readers to skim and understand. Search engines also use them to understand your content better. Image optimization. Don't forget about images. Compress them for faster loading times and include descriptive alt text. Search engines consider this when ranking your page, plus it improves accessibility. Internal and external links. Internal links connect your content together, making it easier for both users and search engines to navigate your site. And external links to authoritative sources show that you've done your research. Mobile friendliness. In today's mobile-centric world, your site must be mobile-friendly. Google values responsive design, so make sure your website looks and functions well on smartphones and tablets. Page speed. Nobody likes waiting for a slow website to load. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify and fix speed issues. Faster sites rank higher and provide a better user experience. User experience. Focus on user experience. A clean, well-organized website with intuitive navigation keeps visitors engaged. And guess what? Search engines love sites that keep users happy. Schema markup. Now, let's talk about a secret weapon in the world of on-page SEO, schema markup. You might not have heard of it, but it's a game changer. Schema markup is a code that you can add to your website to help search engines understand the content better. It provides context to your content, making it more appealing in search results. Content freshness. Content freshness is an often overlooked aspect of on-page SEO. Google loves fresh content. Updating your existing articles with new information or perspectives can give your rankings a boost. It shows that your website is current and relevant. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice-activated devices like Alexa and Siri, voice search optimization is becoming crucial. People search differently when using voice commands, so consider how your target audience might phrase their queries verbally. Tailoring your content accordingly can help you tap into this growing trend. Social signals. Social media isn't just for connecting with friends. It also plays a role in on-page SEO. When your content gets shared on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, it sends positive signals to search engines. Encourage social sharing by adding share buttons to your content. User-generated content. User-generated content, like comments and reviews, can boost your on-page SEO efforts. It not only adds valuable information to your pages but also encourages engagement, which is something search engines appreciate. HTTPS security. Security matters, and Google takes it seriously. Having a secure HTTPS connection is not only essential for protecting your users' data but also a ranking factor. So, make sure your site is SSL certified. Structured data. Structured data, also known as rich snippets, can make your search results stand out. This additional information, like star ratings or product prices, can increase click-through rates. Tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper can assist you in implementing this. Long-form content. Long-form content is gaining popularity in the world of SEO. While short, snappy articles have their place, longer, in-depth pieces can provide more value to readers. If your content is comprehensive and well-researched, it's more likely to be shared and linked to, which can positively impact your rankings. Website security. Keeping your website secure not only protects your data but also your SEO efforts. Regularly update your plugins, use strong passwords, and consider a website security service to prevent hacking attempts, which can harm your search engine rankings. Monitoring and analytics. Lastly, don't forget to monitor your SEO efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance. Analyze which pages are doing well and which need improvement. This data-driven approach will help you fine-tune your on-page SEO strategy over time. Conclusion. There you have it, an extended guide to on-page SEO, filled with tips and tricks to boost your website's visibility. Remember, SEO is an ever-evolving field, so stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy optimizing!